Hello everyone, in this tutorial we will create the advanced locomotion system and the character can turn, walk and jog. When the character stop walking or jogging, the character play the stop walking animation, and we will create the control rig that can control the leg of the character when they walk on the hill. This animation is exactly the same as wind echo animation, and we try to create exactly the same system as this one. First, go to Unreal Engine Marketplace and open the store of the asset. Search for Windwalker Echo. And this one, Windwalker Echo, open in Launcher. Open Epic Game Launcher. Now create project. Name it Windwalker Echo and select the location that you want to put this project. And click create. Go to library, search for this project, open it. Now let's create new folder. Name it Echo Animation. Then new folder. Name it Old Animation. Create a new project and use Unreal Engine 5.2 because I will use the enhanced input. Click on Games, Third Person, choose Blueprint, and project name is Advanced Locomotion. Click Create. Then go to Character, Mannequins, Mazes, SKM Queen Simple. Right click and set action, export. We export it to the Echo Animation folder. Pixel, export. In our Echo project, we click on Echo Content, Characters, Echo Animations, and select all of this animation. Right click, Asset Action, then export. Then export it to Echo Animation. Add new folder, name it New Animation. And save, export. Save export. Open Blender and delete all these hoop and camera. We import FBX and find Echo Animation and SKM Queen Simple. Import it. Delete this mesh and delete this group. Add new collection. Name it Animation. Click on it. Choose Import FBX. Old animation. New animation. Select all of it, then import FBX. Sorry for the name that is new animation. We can change it to old animation. And this old animation, change it to Retarget Animation. After we import this animation, you can play this animation. And we want to retarget this animation to the SKM Queen Simple. Because all the skeletons have the same bone, but for the echo animation, we have extra bone for skirt. So we have to retarget it. Select dope sheet and select action editor. Disable this. Hide it in viewport animation and select the skeleton. Choose the first animation. Can view selected and you can play it and the animation move to this skeleton. Now export it, FBX, echo animation and the retarget animation. Select objects and choose only amateur. Amateur only deform bones and disable this add lift bones. Find the old animation and the first animation is idle. Export FBX. Select this skeleton. Choose the first animation. Call export FBX. And the scale is 100. And select on this idle. I forget that we have to set the scale to 100 because this animation is really small, the size of it. Pause again. Then select the scan animation. Call export FBX. And the name is idol log. Export. Then choose assert animation. Export FBX. Idol to jog forward. Choose the force animation. Export FBX. And use this idol to jog forward left 90. Because the process is the same, so I will cut to the result. And this is the result for the animation that already retargeted. You also can download this animation in the link in the description if you don't have Blender. Then we click on content, right click, new folder, name it Echo Locomotion. Open it, right click, new folder, name it Animation. Then import all of these animation inside Unreal Engine and choose SK Mannequin. Import all. We don't want to retarget it in the Unreal Engine because we want the default animation. And now we can see this animation. Can play it. Here is the animation. And select all of these. Right click. Back edit via property matrix. And set this force root lock to true. Because we don't want to use the root motion, we use the curve to control the root motion of the character. And save all. Save selected. Open Echo project. And if you open this idle animation, you can see this curve that control the eye of the character. But our mannequin don't have the face, so we no need to use this. And idle to jog forward. We need this move data speed curve and move data jog rotation data. And if it works, we need this data move speed and move data walk rotation. Only the move and the rotation that we need. So the first animation, copy this curve name, idle to jog forward, and open this idle to jog forward. Add curve, create curve, and pass this name. Stop this animation first. And let's move it to zero frame. Open this curve and select all the point and copy. Control V to paste it. And then we find the rotation and copy it. Add curve, create curve, and pass the name. Open it. Then copy this curve and pass. Make sure that the time is on the 0. And the next animation, idle to jog forward left 90. Copy this name. Create curve, pass this name, pan it, and then copy all these points and pass it. And this data jog rotation add curve and create curve, pass this name, and open this, copy and pass this point. Follow the same process for other animation. We only use the move data speed curve and the rotation curve. I will cut to the result. This is the result after we copy the curve. For the jog animation, we have jog rotation. And for the walk animation, we have walk rotation. And some animation, we don't need any curve, like walk forward to idle. Now create new folder, name it input. And open it. Right click, input, input action. Name it IA jog override. And set consume input to false. W type is Boolean, digital, and then input action IA look turn. Open it, and W type is exist 1D float. Input action IA look up, and the value type is Axis 1D float. Input action IA move forward. And axis is 1D. Input action IA move right. Pan it. And the value type axis is 1D. Then create input mapping context. Open it. Then add mapping. Choose IA move forward. And the key is W and S. The S modifier at negative for the negative. Add key, up, and down. And modifier negative for the down key. Then add search for IA move right. A D left and right. For A, add modifier negative and left, add modifier negative. Then add IA look up and choose mouse Y and modifier negative. Add mapping IA look turn and choose mouse X. Add mapping IA jog override. Choose left shift. And this is our mapping. Can close all of this. Go to blueprint class and choose character. Name it CH Echo. Open this character. And click on this capsule component. Set the half height to 96. Capsule radius is 42. Then click on Mesh. Choose SKM Queen Simple. For the location is minus 98.7. And rotation is 220. And then add spring arm, add camera, click on spring arm. The length is 310 and the location Y is 107. Use pound control rotation. Click on class setting. Click on class default. Scroll down. Search for pound and set this use controller rotation yaw to fall. And character movement. For character movement blocking, we set the ground friction to 4. Walk speed is 147. And the braking deceleration walking is 1000. Jump Z velocity is 600. And air control 0. Air control all is 0. Add variable. Variable name is IA move forward action value. Variable type is float and copy this. Variable name is IA move right action value. Then function, add new function. Name is handle forward input. Add input. Variable name is input value. The type is float. Call add movement input. Get control rotation. Split the rotation. Then make rotator next Z to Z. Then get forward vector next to the direction. Input value next to scale value. Add new function. Name is handle write word input. At input, variable name is input value. Then add movement input. Need to scale value. And for the world direction, we get control rotation. Split it. Make rotator next Z to Z. And get right vector next to world direction. Add function. Name it handle look up input. Then add input value. Then call add controller pitch input. Này input to the value. Add function. Name is handle turn input. Add input. Input name is input value. Then call add controller your input. Next the input value to value. And for this handle forward input, we set the category to input. And this handle like category is input, handle lookup, input, handle turn input. Add function. Name is get movement speed. Then we call return. Need to return. Get IA move forward and IA move right. Make vector it to X and to Y. This point we delete this row from the name. And then call vector length or absolute and less than. Make literal float. The float value is 0.586. And if it then call absolute 2. And if it less than 0.586, we call select vector and connect this to B. Then call clamp vector size. Min is 0.207 and max is 0.332 into A. Then break vector and the return node at output X and Y, like X to X, Y to Y. Add macros and call, and the name is move forward action. And then input variable name is started. Choose execution and input variable name is forward value and select float type at input trigger and execution pin at input. Variable name is input time start. Variable type is float at input. Variable name is finish and execution pin. Then set IA move forward action value. On trigger, we set this forward value to IA move forward action value. And then call this handle forward input function and call get movement input and call get movement input function. Set this function to pure function and connect it to the input value. Then add new macro. Name it move right action. Add input. The input name is started. Add input. Its name is forward value. Variable type is float. Add input. Trigger and execution. Add input. Input time start. And variable type is float. Add input. Variable name is finish and execution pin. Then set IA move right action value. Set it to the forward value. Select it to trigger. Then get movement speed and call handle right input. Connect Y to the input value. And add macros. Name is jog override action. Input name is started. And input name is trigger. At input, name is finish. At input, variable name is action value. Set the action value to Boolean. Then get character movement for that makes walk speed to 427 and trigger need it to set. Copy this. When it finishes, we set it to 147. Then go to event graph. Create event process and cast to player controller or enhance input local player subsystem. Then add mapping context. Choose mapping context is input mapping context. We have to use add mapping context when we use the enhance input system. Then call event enhance action event IA move forward and call move forward action. When it starts, connect to start it and trigger, connect it to trigger. And when it's finished, when it complete, connect it to finish. Connect the action value to this forward vector, forward value. Expand this. The trigger seconds to input timestamp. Call event enhance input action IA move right and call move right action. Connect the trigger to trigger and start it to start it, complete to finish, and action value to forward value, and this trigger second to input timestamp. Then call event enhance IA jog override and call the jog override action macro. Start it to start it, trigger and complete, and connect action value to action value. Then IA look up input enhance action value, enhance action event. Then call handle look up input Select the trigger to handle lookup input, action value to input value. Call event enhance input action look turn, and then set this handle turn input trigger and this action value. And you can press C, select and press C to group it. Set the name to input. Right click, blueprint class, choose game mode base, and name it echo game mode. Open this game mode, and then set this default pawn class to echo, echo. When we change this game mode, we can spawn this echo. And so click on world setting. Choose this echo game mode. Let's play test. Then we press W, character move forward, and S move back, left and right, and we can rotate the mouse. And we press shift, the character move faster. And this is the basic enhance input. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.